Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today, we've got an exciting tutorial for you. I'll be guiding you through the process of creating UDP custom configs from UDP custom websites. Before we dive in, make sure to hit that like button, share this video with your friends, and don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more tech tutorials. Let's get started. Step 1. Fire up your favorite browser and head over to the UDP custom website. Once you're there, you'll land on the home page of the site. Easy, right? Step 2. On the left side of the screen, locate the menu button. Give it a click and you'll see the Explore options. Keep an eye out for the UDP Custom and UDP Request Configs menus. Step 3. Now let's download those UDP custom files. Click on the UDP Custom Configs menu and a sub-menu will pop up. You'll have the choice between the latest configs for today or checking out the recent files up to last week. Step 4. Once you've found the required post, dive into the list of configs. Choose any config that catches your eye, and with just a click, the file will be downloaded in seconds. It's that quick and easy. The downloaded file will be waiting for you in your download folder, ready to be imported. And there you have it, a step-by-step guide on creating UDP custom configs. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to hit the like button, share it with your fellow tech enthusiasts, and subscribe for more content. Thanks for tuning in, and I'll catch you in the next video. Until then, happy configuring.